Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today we're going to be checking out some hairstyles to shake up boring strands. So here we see this bob haircut transformation. Wow, look at the color on this. Absolutely stunning. Now, coloring your hair is instantly going to give you a different look. And it's the perfect thing to do if you don't want to cut your hair, but cutting your hair and coloring it is an amazing way to transform your hair. So next up we have another hair transformation. She starts off with dull, shoulder length, grown out blonde hair. The stylist kind of cuts the hair into a bob. Oh, she put in some curtain bangs to frame out the bob. And this is a huge trend that we're seeing right now. A lot of curtain bangs being added to the bob haircuts. Great way to modernize the shape overall. Very pretty, and it also creates a nice amount of fullness within the overall shape. Beautiful transformation. So we move on to the next one. It looks like she's also going to be getting a bob haircut. Another gorgeous volumized bob. She has so much body. Sheer perfection. So we see someone with orange colored hair. Stylist goes in with the color. Ooh, wow. This is like a really pretty, kind of like a rose brunette tone. Very unique shade. And she also got a lovely bob haircut. So here we have someone with mid-length hair, French bangs in the front. Stylist cuts the hair into a bob, adds some color. So satisfying to watch him mix in the colors. So there is the before. Wow, chunky highlights, beautiful bangs. Looks like he thickened up the bangs some too. This is absolutely unreal, gorgeous. Remarkable transformation, wow. And then it looks like we have someone going from shoulder length hair to a bob. Nice, simple, and chic. And it looks like she also got in on the pixie bob trend. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.